Join me as I take on the challenge of fixing the crankshaft and timing belt on my Toyota Corolla AE110 5A engine. In this video, we'll explore the common issues with the Toyota Corolla AE110's 5A engine, particularly focusing on the crankshaft and timing belt. If you own a Corolla AE110, you're probably familiar with the dreaded engine noise or vibration that can indicate serious problems with your crankshaft and timing belt. When these components fail, it can lead to catastrophic engine damage, resulting in expensive repairs or even complete engine failure. The first symptom you might notice is a loud rattling or screeching noise coming from the engine compartment. As the problem worsens, you might experience vibrations felt through the steering wheel or seat, making your car difficult to drive safely. In extreme cases, your engine might even seize, leaving you stranded on the side of the road. It's essential to address these issues promptly to avoid further complications. Failing to do so can result in costly repairs, or worse, require a new engine altogether. Another common issue with the 5A engine is premature wear on the timing belt. If you notice your engine idling rough or experiencing difficulty starting, it could be a sign that your timing belt is on its way out. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to catastrophic engine failure, as a snapped timing belt can cause extensive damage to your engine's valves and pistons. When this happens, you'll be faced with an expensive repair bill or, worse, a new engine. By recognizing these symptoms early, you can save yourself a lot of time, money, and stress in the long run. The importance of regular maintenance cannot be overstated when it comes to the crankshaft and timing belt. Neglecting these critical components can lead to disaster down the road. It's crucial to stay on top of your maintenance schedule, checking your timing belt regularly and replacing it as recommended. Additionally, monitoring your engine's performance and addressing any issues promptly can help prevent more severe problems from developing. Let's dive deeper into the mechanics of the 5A engine, examining how the crankshaft and timing belt work together and what can go wrong. The crankshaft is responsible for converting the up and down motion of the pistons into rotary motion, which ultimately powers your car. The timing belt, on the other hand, synchronizes the rotation of the crankshaft and camshaft, ensuring that your engine's valves open and close at the correct time. When these components work in harmony, your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. However, when one or both of these components fail, the consequences can be disastrous. One common issue with the crankshaft is premature wear on its bearings. As the bearings wear down, they can cause the crankshaft to vibrate excessively, leading to further damage to the engine. This vibration can also put additional stress on the timing belt, causing it to wear down faster than usual. In extreme cases, the crankshaft bearings can seize, requiring a costly replacement of the entire crankshaft. The timing belt, on the other hand, is prone to wear and tear due to its constant rotation. As it wears down, the belt can slip or jump a tooth, causing the valves and pistons to collide, resulting in catastrophic engine damage. Additionally, if the timing belt is not replaced regularly, it can break, causing extensive damage to the engine's valves and pistons. We'll reveal the most effective fixes for these problems and share insights from mechanics who have successfully tackled these repairs. When it comes to fixing the crankshaft, replacing the bearings is often the most effective solution. However, this requires a significant amount of time and labor, as the engine needs to be disassembled to access the crankshaft. In some cases, it may be more cost-effective to replace the entire crankshaft altogether. Regarding the timing belt, the most effective fix is often a replacement. However, this requires a significant amount of technical knowledge and expertise, as the timing belt needs to be synchronized correctly with the crankshaft and camshaft. It's essential to follow the manufacturer's guidelines and recommendations when replacing the timing belt to ensure that it's done correctly. In some cases, a complete engine overhaul may be necessary, especially if the damage is extensive. This involves disassembling the entire engine and replacing or repairing any damaged components. While this is a costly and time-consuming process, it's often the most effective way to ensure that your engine is running smoothly and efficiently. To wrap up, we've explored the common issues with the Toyota Corolla AE110's 5A engine, particularly focusing on the crankshaft and timing belt. Remember to stay on top of your maintenance schedule, address any issues promptly, and consider consulting a professional mechanic if you're unsure about how to fix these problems yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive tips, and check out our next video on engine maintenance.